everyone, Cherie here, Surfer Girl 326. Welcome to my channel if you're new here, and if you're a current subscriber, thank you so much. So I am in one of my favorite thrift store, antique store, new and used, here in Myrtle Beach. And last week I came and I got a couple things. I didn't really show them. But I thought I would show you around. This place is so big. It's owned by my friends Robbie and Renee, and they actually have two stores. This store that Renee runs usually, this has got records, CDs, all kinds of different collectibles. There's all kinds of stuff in the back. There are old-time gasoline pumps. She's got motorcycles and different things. And on Robbie's side, there are more sports and all kinds of other music, different genres, and magazines and stuff like that where I went last time. But today I'm going to concentrate on music and the records and posters and all kinds of stuff that are on the walls. And as soon as I came here, I'm giddy right now because I was here 2 weeks ago, and I checked to see if they have any NXS albums. They did not. And y'all, I came in and went straight to the eyes, and they had Shibu Shaba, and I am so excited. And they actually had, she's got two copies, and I'm going to get the one that's not in plastic. It's only $15, and I'm so excited. And no, I don't have a record player yet, but I've been wanting to get one for the longest time between all my my Beach Boys albums and all my Disney albums. I've been wanting to get one day, and I will eventually. So anyway, I am going to turn the camera around and just show you a little bit. And this may be a two-parter, because if I get a chance to go next door to Robbie's, but if not, it may be two videos. So I hope you enjoy this video. There's music in the background, so if I might put music, but so once I've recorded it and try to put it on YouTube, we'll just play it by ear. But there are some awesome stuff on these walls, y'all. I can't wait to show you. And I may just glance through all the records that they have here too. So I hope you enjoy this video, and I hope everyone has a blessed day. All right, so I'm gonna start. Oh, there's some over there. Okay, so I'll go back over there. I see some Elvis and Doors. All right, well, I'm right here, so I'm going to show. We have Man O' War. I've never heard of them. So we got Man O' War, and on the top row, oh gosh, I'm not sure who that one is. We've got Julie Robert. I don't know. K7. Terry Clark. There's country and rock and roll, all kinds of different artists here, but they're actually records that, let's see, I don't know who Julie Roberts is. She must be a country singer. Let's see, there's a Nashville one, but so Night Train to Nashville. There's just all different posters here. There's Terry Clark. Who's Sidewinder. Oh yeah, this is the one I want. It's only $895. Oh, my Beach Boys. Who's that? Is that Queen? I'm right behind you. I'm just gonna. Oh, my sister would love all these Elvis things. Oh, there's Jimmy. Oh my goodness. Okay, I have found the Disney section. So the way they do it, they put the records before the label. I'm going to show y'all what they got. Well, the sounds of outer space. So I don't know if that's from actual parks. And then we got Walt Disney favorites. This must be from different movies. Oh yeah, from different movies. Okay, My Fair Lady, Funny Girl. Oh, there's my friend Jordan. He loved. This is Bedknobs and Broomsticks. Oh, this is a story. Oh, I love these. This is an actual storybook. I have several that are like this. I have. Oh, this is amazing. Wow. So this is. Oh, so there's one record there. Oh wow, that's not bad. It's $7.95. So that's Bedknobs and Broomsticks. And then we got Pete's Dragon. Oh, is it? It isn't. It's another. There's another storybook. Oh, that's amazing. And Oh, and I found this one, y'all. I want to get this so bad. Look at this lady tramp. And she's got the babies, Scamp and there's Jock and Trusty. But, yeah, it's $45. Look at the back. Oh, and they even got the gopher. Oh, yeah, I want to show that. And then there's a couple with no. There's Mary Poppins. I'm pretty sure I've got a different couple of Mary. Master size. Oh, there's the other side. We got Goldilocks and the Three Bears. Mickey Mouse and Friends. Song for Bedtime. Oh, look, so there's Lady and the Tramp. There's from Pinocchio. I know the glare. Oh, is that from? Okay. And then we got all kinds of Johnny Appleseed. Three Little Pigs. Mother Goose and Rhymes. Oh, there's my girl. I love Annette. Walt Disney cereal. So I wonder. Okay, so it's just a record. But yeah, I love Annette Funicello. Alright, we got, I don't know what. Island at Top of the World. I have this one. This one is so amazing. This is a book. This is like a storybook. Let's see. I have this in a frame. Oh, maybe it's not a storybook, but yeah, isn't that amazing? I thought the one I had was a storybook, but I guess not. And then we have Davy Crockett. Peter and the Wolf. And a lot of them have, most of them say Disneyland. Oh, I believe I have this one too. Oh wow, look at this old Snow White. Wow. I'm curious how old it has I don't see I'm sure it's on there somewhere, but these are like several decades old. Here's something making. Oh, I have this one too. And I believe I have this one. Disco. Learning to Tell Time is Fun. Swiss Family Robinson. Oh, that was a cute movie. Wow, this is the third copy of this one I've seen. Another Mother Goose. Oh, I've got to change hands. My hands are. Oh, Heidi. Oh, I love that movie. I was a kid. I loved Heidi. Oh, I don't know. Don't think I. Oh, there's another disco. Mickey Mouse disco. Another one of these. Peter Cottontail. Oh, that must have been on Broadway or something. The Prince and the Pauper. Another one. Got several. Wow, she's gotten a lot of Disney since I've been in here last. Hansel and Gretel. Oh, here's the little ones. Let's see, Westward. Oh, that's from the Mickey Mouse Club. I love that. Look up here. Wow, I watched the reruns. I loved the Mickey Mouse Club, the original Mickey Mouse Club. I remember watching because in the 70s, and I used to watch them all the time because I loved Cubby, the drummer. He was my favorite. But besides Annette Funicello is always. Oh, here's the Reluctant Dragon. Oh, yeah, there she is. And that was a cute little cartoon, The Reluctant Dragon. If you haven't seen it, it's so cute. Another Mother Goose. Oh, I think that's it. All right, I'm gonna. Oh, this is the new. Oh, there's Blair. There's Lisa Wetchell. This is one of the newer ones. Before Britney Spears and Justin Timberlake, but this was probably like in the 80s. And all right, that's all the. All right, let me see what else I could find. But yeah, this side is so amazing. I just got through showing y'all. This is just the one side right here. All the albums and everything. And all right, let's see what else I can find. All right, so James has already. He's went through all the DVDs. This is just a little taste of what they got. I mean, they've got hundreds and hundreds of DVDs. I went through the CDs and the concert DVDs. They have a little section. I really wanted to get. I found a couple prints, but I'll have to come back because so let me show you. What did I? Oh. So far, I have found a couple movies that I really love. This is such an excellent movie about Johnny Cash and Roseanne and June. Walked the Line. Reese Witherspoon and Joe Quinn. They do such an amazing. I've only watched that once, and it's really good. And I got this one. Yeah, it's got a bunch of 80s on it. Video Killed a Movie Star, Look of Love, Shout, In a Big Country, Come On Eileen, I Can Dream About You. So I just thought I would share with you real quick instead of doing. And this is one of my favorite sports movies of all time. And I already told y'all, I'm so excited I found the NXS album. They actually had two. I'm going to get Shubu Shabba. But I was going through, because I love finding old magazines. Look what the heck I found. Look, there's Freddie. And so this was the money that went to buy this went to fighting AIDS. The Freddie Mercury Foundation. And I mean, I know that won't, but oh, there he is. Oh, and oh my gosh, I think I might have to get this. Isn't this amazing? Oh, there's his mom. If you haven't watched the documentary or like the movie that one guy did of him, he did such an amazing job of Freddie. I can't remember what the name of it is, but Freddie was just a legend. I've loved Queen's music, but after just watching that movie, it just made such an appreciation of the battle that Freddie just went through, and just to just stand out and just dress how he wanted to dress and act, and back then being gay was not, it was just something that you didn't talk about, and it was just very hush hush, and he it's just yeah, I think I might have to get this. And he loved cats. Oh my God, he had dozens of cats. He loved cats. There he is. So oh, this is one of the videos that was not well received. They all dressed up, and yeah. So that is so amazing. All right, so let me see what else I found. So I'm not a fan of that. Oh wow, look at this old People magazine. The Beatles on Broadway. Wow. There is it. Oh my gosh. I don't know if I can pick this up. But anyway, so this is the magazine. This is the Life. There's John F. and Cat. Wow. So, there's several here. Honey, can you... I might have to stop it. How many magazines are in there? 7. Okay. So it says 70. 7. So there's 7 magazines.
About President Kennedy.
About President Kennedy. Okay. And then we got John Belushi. There's people. I just wanted to show. And oh, Burt Bacharach. He's an old legend. Oh, I've seen them in concert, like Moody Blues. Moody Blues. I guess is that from a? If that's from a. Yeah, it's got lots of pictures of it. And then we have a Hawk. Is it Elvis? Nope. There's oh. So they've made up one. This John Lennon. Where is it? There it is.
1980.
Yeah. Yep. There it is. So this one looks like it's got several. It doesn't say how much it is. Oh, here we go. Here's Kiss. I don't know how much this one is, but this has got all of them in it. Because you know he was it Ace passed away when the one of I know one, and there's only yep. And there's Gene and Paul and yeah. So there's no. Oh, I don't see a price on it. Sorry, y'all. I'm trying. Of course, I'm one-handed. All right, but yeah. So. Oh, James, did you see these train pictures on the wall? All right. I think that might be it. I'm going to go to the other side. And, but I hope y'all enjoyed this video. Oh, and, let me see what else I can find.